Fire-Boltt Smartwatch. Smart features. Bluetooth calling. Caller name information. Call rejection. Voice assistance. Built-in calculator. Low battery reminder. Remote music and camera control. Sedentary reminder. Weather forecast. Stopwatch reminder. Timer. Alarm. Wake gesture. Vibration alert. Do not disturb mode. Screen brightness. Fire-Boltt a spot-on view. AMOLED display. Immerse yourself in the super large 1.78 inches always-on AMOLED display. A display of 368 x 448 pixels delivers every detail with the utmost precision on the screen of your Fire-Boltt smartwatch, giving you the best visual experience. Stay connected. Bluetooth v5.0 that allows a quick and smooth connectivity with all external devices. Quick access dial pad. Call history. Sync contacts. Sports modes. Running, cycling, swimming, and more. Choose your favorite type of workout from a 100+ different sports modes. Splash friendly. Fire-Boltt can beat rains, water splashes, and even dust. IP67 water resistant. Boltt never miss out. Smart notifications. Smart reminders. Drink water reminder. Sedentary reminder. Sedentary reminder. Female health care. Always on track with your health goals. Sensors. SpO2 monitoring and heart rate tracking. Optical heart rate. Capacitive sensor. Compatibility. It is compatible with Android 5.0 or above, iOS 9.0 or above. Health monitoring. 24/7 dynamic monitoring and manual monitoring. Step tracker. Calories burned. Distance traveled. Activity history. Sleep monitor. Sports mode. Tracking and reminder.